So I was just about to go and mow the front yard, then I realized I didn't actually show you the new lawnmower that I got. Which is fully electric. It's basically battery powered lawn mower. I'm extremely happy with it, and this will be a very non-technical review of the lawnmower. So yeah, keep that in mind when you're watching this. So as I said, this is going to be a very non-technical review. So what this is a lithium ion battery 36 volt lawnmower. It's made by RYOBI. I wouldn't be using this for commercial purposes and going mowing other people's lawns and stuff like that. I don't think it'll last that much, but it's a fantastic little thing. I'm able to mow my whole backyard and my whole front yard, and my entire block is about 650 square meters minus, well, about 600 actually square meters minus the house. So let's say there's like, I don't know, 300, maybe 300 or so square meters of or to 400 of actual grass. It actually mows it perfectly, and I also managed to mow the entire front yard of my neighbors as well. One of the things that I really looked forward to when I was actually looking for buying a lawnmower was one, that it wasn't too loud, that it was going to be very light, because the place that I was storing it in, I needed to pick it up, and every time I picked up, petrol one would always either leak petrol, leak oil, I'd always get dirty, and it was just a very dirty process. So, and the problem is the fact that I have lack of storage, and I just wanted something that's going to be relatively clean, and just easy to store, easy to carry around. So the good thing is it doesn't need a cord, it's actual battery itself, and the battery is quite big, which is good, because it basically lasts the whole time. It's not going to you know, just die on you instantly. So I don't use the collector at the back of the lawnmower. What I do is I just basically use it just to mulch the grass. I try not to let the grass grow too big, but there's most of the times it actually grows you know, to about 10, maybe 15 centimeters long, and the lawnmower has absolutely no problems in mowing it. So it's got no problems in leveling that grass nicely. Now that the rains have come and we've had a few wet days, the grass has come up, and I want to go and mow my front grass, or my front lawn, and I just thought yeah, I'd sort of, you know, show you the new piece of kit. I also have RYOBI. I also have a 18 volt trimmer, which is just a edge trimmer type sort of thing, whatever you call it, and that's great as well. It's not very powerful, it's not going to you know, trim any branches or anything, but just for grass and for those types of things, it's absolutely fine, and it does a perfect job. So for home purposes, it's basically perfect. The reason why I like RYOBI, they're not the best quality brand, let's be honest, but the good thing is that you buy same set of batteries and you can use it across various different tools. The 18 volt battery that I have, I think 4 amp, I've got plenty of tools that I interchange the battery with. I've only got one tool, obviously, being the lawnmower for the 36 volt battery, but I am planning on getting a chainsaw in the future, so when we go camping and stuff like that, and that'll be using the battery as well. So yeah, really looking forward to that. I think that'll be a nice little addition to what I already have. And if you're one of those people that, you know, wants to be green, wants to, you know, you want to make sure that you're looking after the planet, you can set up recharging of these through solar as well if you wanted to. I haven't done that myself. I'm not going to go to that extent, to be honest, but you can if you want to. I mean, that's obviously an option. So as you can tell, this 46cm blade lawnmower actually mows really well. And it picks up quite a lot. Yeah, which is good. You don't have to go up and down so many times. It's not the biggest blade, but I think for what I need it for, it is absolutely perfect. Enjoy, and I'll see you in the next video.